Hi, I'm Dr. Carrie Jaworski, and I'm the Director of Primary Care Sports Medicine at NorthShore Orthopaedic and Spine Institute.
Thanks for being here today, Carrie.
Thanks, Beth.
So I wanted to talk to you about COVID since it's on everybody's mind and just ask some questions. So I had COVID a while ago and I'm now recovering, and I'm just wondering, is it good to exercise? What should I do?
Sure, no, of course it's good to exercise. I'm sports medicine, so I will always say exercise is medicine. However, you want to make sure with your own doctor that you're clear to exercise. So what we do know about COVID, and I will preface by saying that we're continuing to learn more, but what we do know is for mild cases, most if not all people can go back to their normal activities, including exercise, without really any, hiccups. But when you have more moderate or severe illness, so if you've had prolonged symptoms or you had to be hospitalized, then it's definitely important that you talk to your primary care doctor, because you may need a cardiac evaluation prior to resuming any more high intensity exercise. So I think, kind of taking those two recommendations, mild, okay to proceed. Anything more than mild, you should probably just get checked out before you go on and do any exercise.
That's great advice. And, we've lived in this COVID bubble now for over a year, and I'm a little anxious about coming out and doing sort of normal activities like running a race in a large group. What do you think?
I think it's completely normal to feel that way. I think all of us are a little shell-shocked. This wasn't what any of us had planned, and I think it does take some time to reacclimate. And what will the new normal be? I think that still remains to be the question. But I think in terms of exercising outside, it's been proven that that is safe. And so I think that, participating in an event would be a reasonable thing, assuming that you don't have any high-risk family members or people that you would be more concerned about. If you're vaccinated and you're healthy and you are not experiencing any COVID symptoms, there's no reason to think that you can't participate in an event. And I think it's good. I think it's good not just for your physical well-being, but mentally, just to kind of get us all over this hump. We've all been kind of in hiding for a long time, and so getting outdoors, getting some fresh air, and getting some exercise with friends is a good idea. I think that the races, particularly Fort2Base, I know are preparing well in advance and have a really good plan in place to keep people safe and, try to distance as much as we can, but still have a great event.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much.
Sure.